If you've lost your remote and need to reset your LG soundbar, don't worry. It's totally doable using just the buttons on the soundbar itself. Most LG soundbars have a power button and either a Bluetooth, play, dial, pause, or input button located on the back or side panel. To reset, press and hold both the power button and the second function button, like Bluetooth or play, start, pause, at the same time. Keep them pressed for about 5 to 10 seconds. When the reset begins, you'll usually see the LED indicator flash or turn off completely before powering back on. That means the factory reset was successful. After the reset, your soundbar will return to its original settings, so you may need to repair Bluetooth devices or reconfigure your audio settings. This method works on many LG soundbar models, including the LH series, SP series, and more. Before you go, if this helped solve your problem, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes.